Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now you guys have already read the title, so you know what this is about. So just a little recap, you guys know that we found ourselves an amazing intro animation a couple of weeks ago when I collaborated with Fiverr to check out the work that their VFX artists do, and I have to say I was very impressed with the level of work that I got from the freelancers over there. Today I thought let's take it to the next level by creating our first ever website/portfolio web page by taking help from Fiverr's web design and website freelancers, and I know for a fact that they have some really good ones out there because just take a look at the amount of people that are fulfilling web page orders. So today, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead, create our first ever website. I am excited to see. We will be dividing it across 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3, and seeing the kind of work and quality that we can get from each level of Fiverr freelancer. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and with that said, let's get started. Now, I am sure that you guys already know about Fiverr. Fiverr is an amazing platform that connects artists with people who can use their services, and you can find a lot of services that you can either provide or buy from Fiverr's platform. The categories are endless, and I am sure you will find something of value that you can either receive or provide to the people who are looking for such services like myself on Fiverr. Now, I am here to create a website. So I will go to Fiverr's website. You can too, by the way, from the link in the description below, and I will go to the web design category and see what kind of freelancers I can find over there. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how freelancers will use the same information that I give them, like our logo, our content information, and basically what we want displayed on the web page across different levels, and see how they finalize our portfolio page. Okay, so I just went through Fiverr's list, and now I have shortlisted 3 freelancers who are at their best game in all tiers. Let me tell you a little about them. So at level 1, we have Ahmer Altaf, who is a level 1 freelancer, and we are going to be buying their basic package website. At level 2, I shortlisted Salman A, who is a level 2 artist, and we will be buying their bronze package, which is their basic package once again. And finally, at level 3, we have a Fiverr Pro. His name is Zillard, and we will take their basic short form landing page. Alright, so all the orders have been placed. Now comes the waiting part, where I have to send them the assets, communicate with them, and then hopefully wait for 4 or 5 days, and then we will review the results. See you guys then. Alright, so it's been around 4 or 5 days maybe, and all the orders have finally been fulfilled. I'm telling you guys, I'm really excited to take a look at this because we've never had a web page before, and a portfolio website is something that I always wanted to have for you guys as well as for potential clients in the future. So I'm really excited to see what we have going on over here at all the levels. Let's get started with level 1. Of course, I'll show you guys the web page from the desktop as well as on the mobile view, and you guys can tell me which one looks the best to you in the comments below. Alright, so at level 1, as I told you guys, we had Ahmer Altaf, and we got their basic web design package, which was a portfolio page. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys the website itself, and as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. And honestly, I like the way how he started it with our intro animation first that we started the last time, and over here you can see everything looks very clean and very minimal. We have a photo section where is a small intro, then we have an about me section, a web page where it shows us our website and our YouTube channel, and then we have links to our content, so different contents and phones that we have reviewed. All of that is available here, and at the bottom, of course, we have a contact me section. Now I would like to show you guys the web page or the desktop site version as well to see how it looks on a big screen. I am very happy on how this website looks. We also have hyperlinks on the top to our YouTube and Instagram. Overall, it looks very clean, very minimal. Basically, that is what I had told him, that I want things to be extremely clean and extremely professional looking, and I think he has delivered on that. I really like this. You guys let me know what you guys think of it. Now that we are upping the ante, let's go ahead and check out what Salman has for us at level 2. Again, we got their bronze package, if you guys remember. As you guys can see, this is the website, and over here I really liked the color scheme that he picked. He was not afraid to play around with colors and different themes and make it a little more poppy, which is something that I enjoyed a lot. And of course, you can see that this is the website. We have our video contact, our about us section, and once again this also follows a similar pattern with home, about us, and then we have our latest videos. And you guys can see that stuff looks really good. At the bottom we have the subscribe section, and you can also enter an email address, and of course there's a contact us section as well. I like how everything is at a single page, and he really went into the teal color, which you can see in our channel art as well as our intro. So it's black and teal themed. If we talk about the desktop version, even this looks pretty good. We have a picture on top, and I think it looks actually a little better on our desktop, and overall I feel like this is also really good. But of course the final decision lies with you guys in the comments below. Okay, I am so far very impressed with the level 1 and the level 2 freelancer, so I'm sure that the level 3 is gonna impress me even more, considering the fact that he is a Fiverr pro. I've seen a couple of his works when I was visiting his page, and I really liked it. So let's see what he has created for us at level 3. If we go to the website, you can check it out. I think this is very good looking. He has also worked on the teal color, but it looks slightly more professional than the level 2 one. Of course the desktop version looks even better, but if we take a look at the mobile version, he has done some really cool effects with the videos behind my profile picture. He has added the logos of the brands that we have worked with, which I think looks really cool. Then we have of course the copywriting section, and once again we've got these animated counts, which shows our views as well as our subscribers. Then we have the project section. At the bottom we have a sort of contact me form that you can use to get in touch with me. Potential clients can also use to get in touch with me. That's pretty much it. If we take a look at the desktop version, things look even better, I would say, because it is looking a lot more professional now. If I have to be honest with you guys, I think this is my favorite version and the one that I'm going to be finalizing, and I am so happy that we finally have such a good website that looks so nice, along with our new logos, all because of the help from Fiverr. Well guys, I sure am very satisfied with Fiverr's level of quality and the way the freelancers communicated with me, and tried to accommodate everything that I wanted them to with the chat and everything. And even after completing the order, they were very nice, and they asked me if I needed anything else, I could contact them freely. So that just shows you the level of commitment that the freelancers at Fiverr have. And honestly, I'm going to be returning to this platform over and over again in the near future whenever I need any help. If you want to check out my freelancers or others, make sure you go to Fiverr from the link in my description below. And of course, because you guys have been so lovely and so supportive in our recent videos, make sure you check out our promo code Anubhav for 10% off on your first Fiverr order. Once again, a huge shout out to the guys over at Fiverr for sponsoring today's content. I hope to keep this collaboration up for much longer if you guys are up for it as well. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys have a great day, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and bye-bye.